The all-parties Hurriyat conference has urged the international community, particularly the United Nations, to hold India accountable for grave human rights violations and war crimes being perpetrated by its troops in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. According to Kashmir Media Service, the APHC spokesman in a statement issued in Srinagar maintained that Narendra Modi-led fascist Indian government, after repealing the special status of Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir on 5th August 2019, has virtually turned the territory into an open-air prison where all the basic human rights and freedoms of the people have been usurped. He said killings, arrests, torture and other atrocities during house raids and cordon and search operations by Indian troops on a daily basis have made the life of Kashmiri people a hell. Indian police arrested an innocent youth from a checkpost at Shangergund in Supur area of Baramulla district. The police dubbed the youth as a militant to justify his illegal detention. Narendra Modi-led fascist Indian government had claimed that the repeal of the special status of Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir will give impetus to the development in the territory, but the ground situation after the passage of 3 years is contrary to these assertions. Data from a private research firm, the Center of Monitoring Indian Economy, reveals that the unemployment rate in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir reached 32.8% in the month of August, which is the highest in the last several years. As per experts, the unemployment in the region has been on the rise since the 5th August move by the Indian government. On the other hand, a Dalit man was killed by his in-laws for marrying an upper caste woman in Almora district of the Indian state of Uttarakhand. Tehsildar of Salt Sub-Division in the district, Nisha Rani, said that the Dalit political activist was found dead in a car in Bikhisyan town on Friday. Hindutva goons assaulted the imam of a mosque and forced him to chant Hindu religious slogan Jai Shri Ram in Ghaziabad city of the Indian state of Uttar Pradesh. The family members and lawyers of the incarcerated activist scholar Atikur Rahman, who had undergone heart surgery in November last year, have said that he has become partially paralyzed due to the lack of medical attention in the prison. Atikur Rahman and 3 other persons were arrested in October 2020 when they were on their way to Hathras village of Uttar Pradesh, where a Dalit woman was raped and murdered by 4 upper caste Hindus.